Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, and it's an A-Day. This week is the last week of school for the memorable 2019-2020 school year, a year that none of us anticipated to play out and end this way, but it will be marked in our memory as long as we live, and we will have the stories to tell in the future about our experience during the pandemic of 2020. Some of the things that happened this week: Thursday at 10 a.m. there will be a promotion video sent out to all of our 8th grade graduates to congratulate them and see them off to their high school experience. Also this week, there will be an 8th grade teacher parade going through many of the neighborhoods that serve Savannah Oaks, so 8th grade teachers can say one last hello and goodbye to their students. The last lesson plan will be on Friday, May 29th. Keep in mind, breakfast and lunch continues to be delivered to the sites that the district delivers to through the month of June, all the way through June 30th. And beginning in July, we will have summer school. So you can click on the link that's in the presentation here. It will take you to the district webpage where you can sign up for summer school if you're interested in doing that. I think we will have a larger than usual summer school experience this summer. At this time, please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Make it a terrific Tuesday, Savannah Oaks.